there, this is Amy. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today I'm just doing a real quick review. It's just something a little bit different than what I typically do, but I purchased these glitter glue sticks from Elmer's Glue, and I believe there were like 31 pieces that came with it. But anyways, I just have to say that these are so much fun for the kids to use. If anyone out there is looking for something fun for their kids, this is perfect. I'm sorry about the background noise, but you know, when you get on the phone or you're trying to do something, the kids have to be crazy, which is pretty typical, and there's nothing wrong with them. That's my life, babysitting my grandchildren. But anyhow, they've done a lot of artwork. I just got these yesterday afternoon right before they went home. Of course, we had to get them out. I also got 3 pairs of scissors, child scissors, and so they've done a lot of creating, and they're 4 and under, 4 down to 18 months. So anyways, just a quick review. If you have children and you're looking for a neat item for them to have, you know, obviously if they're under 3, you gotta watch them with it so they're not eating it and all, but I tend to let even the younger ones experiment. So anyways, that's all for right now. Thanks again for stopping by. If you like my video, give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Again, this is not my typical video, but I thought I would give a review because I really like this product. It comes out very easy for the kids to use, unlike if you're getting it in a bigger bottle. That can be really a struggle for kids when they're trying to use it. So anyways, until the next time, thank you.